In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop unfollowers' message on Instagram. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using Android Samsung, but you can do the exact process on any phone. Okay, if you are using a phone, doesn't matter if you are using any other Android. So, first enter on your Instagram and log into the account that you want to stop unfollowers' message. Click on your profile on the last option right here. Come at the top right corner on these three lines and click on Settings on the first option. So, first you can turn off the message notification. So click on Notifications right here on this bell icon. Swipe down and find Messages. Okay, so click right here and here you can turn off all message requests. Okay, notifications. So click right here to turn off. You can also turn off group requests and the normal message choose if you want. Okay, so after that you come out right here, click on Privacy, then you will see several options. Okay, the option that interests us is this one, Messages. So swipe down again and click on Messages. Here you can enable or disable the requests of a message on Instagram. Okay, so here are the unfollowers, others on Instagram. If you want to don't receive request, you click on this option. Now if you want to stop unfollowers message, you just need to click right here and the unfollowers message will come to another page and you just need to not open this page. Okay, if you come right here on message, will come right here on requests. Okay, so all unfollowers messages will come right here and your normal messages will be right here. I hope I help you how to stop unfollowers message on Instagram. So if this video helps you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.